Just Me and My Puppy by Mercer Mayer. I wanted a puppy just for me, so I traded my baseball mitt for one. My baby sister liked him right away. And boy, were Mom and Dad surprised. They said I could keep him if I took care of him myself. So I am taking very good care of my puppy. I feed him in the morning. He eats every bite. Then I put on his leash and we go for a walk. I am teaching my puppy how to heel. He is learning how to stay, except when he sees a cat. My puppy knows lots of tricks, how to sit, how to play dead, and how to roll over. He still needs some practice. But he already knows how to fetch. My puppy is a big help around the house. He's a good guard dog. He brings in the paper for my dad. And he keeps me company while I do my homework. Sometimes my puppy gets dirty. Then I give him a bath. I get him nice and dry so he won't catch a cold. Then we get ready for bed. Just me and my puppy.